Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please subscribe. If you are new here, my name is Alyssa and I make different types of plus size fashion try on hauls and other types of fun videos like that. And I do have a really fun video coming up that hopefully me and my husband can film sooner than later about like movie theater secrets, because we used to work in a movie theater. So anyway, besides the point, today I have my biggest haul yet ever, and this is going to be an Adore Me haul. So for those of you that don't know, Adore Me is a lingerie company that also has some loungewear and like business wear type clothing, and they do have plus sizes. So I was super excited about that, and also I am super excited because they actually sent me all of the stuff in this box to try on for you guys. So we have over $500 worth of clothes. So this is the box that it came in. I am not sure if I'm going to try, well, I'm definitely not going to try everything on because there is some like underwears and stuff in here. And so I obviously don't want to try that on camera, but I'm definitely going to show you guys everything that's in here, talk about the quality and the fit and everything. Yeah, like I said, this is the biggest haul that I have ever done. I probably ever will do. I'm so excited for this. So once again, thank you guys so much for subscribing, because without you guys subscribing I would not be able to do hauls like this and finally have like some sponsored videos. And yeah, I'm just so excited, so thankful. So if you're not subscribed, definitely consider subscribing, and if you are subscribed, thank you so much, and if you're not subscribed but still watching, thank you so much for watching anyway. So anyway, if you like this type of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what's your favorite in this haul. I always want to know what you guys like, because I think it's so funny to see your guys' favorites compared to my favorites. I also did just do an Instagram post for Adore Me recently, so I will have that picture right here, and I'm also going to include some of this stuff from then in this haul too. So this is gonna be like over $500. A couple of my items did get canceled, but they did give me like a credit to go back and order them, so I will just like throw those in with like a random haul that I do later on, or I'll post them over on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, here is my Instagram. So anyway, like I said, I will stop rambling and let's get into this box. I don't even know where I should start with this. So I also tried that like TikTok hair, but it doesn't look that good on me. So the first thing that I bought was this sports bra. I'm really excited to try this on and see how it fits. I'll show you guys this one because I really need sports bras. So hopefully this fits me amazing. I did get a bra from them in my last purchase, and the band was a little bit too small on me, so I did go up a band. So I do have this in a 42 double D, and I will let you guys know how I think that fits me. You have like the cross back, but then also a strap down here where it clips together. Okay, so here is that sports bra. This is the 2X, and this is seriously the perfect size for me. Everything is in there exactly how it should be. If I just adjust the straps a little, I think it would be perfect. They are a little high up on me right now. Oh, okay, so I do think I said in the last clip that this is a clip in the back, but this is actually just an adjustable, that's really cool, adjustable band, so that you can make the waistband, the band on it, a little bit tighter, a little bit looser. That is really awesome for a sports bra. Okay, so I do think some of the things that got canceled in my order were just some underwear. So I already have a ton of underwear from them, and I love these. I think they're such good quality. I do have them in a 2X, but I think I could have went with like a 1X. They're just like super thin so that you don't see them under your clothing. And the stretch on these is so good. They're so comfortable. So like I said, I probably could have went down a size, but these are like my favorite underwears like ever. So I definitely ordered more from them, and I am probably going to order even more because I just really like these, and I feel like they're gonna be like my go-to underwear for forever now. And then going with that, I did want to try some of their different style underwear, because the other ones that I have are all these. I think I have like 4 pairs of these, and then one of like the like boy short type ones to wear to bed, and I do really like those to wear to bed too. Those are like awesome and would also be really awesome postpartum. So if any of you guys are pregnant and having a baby, those are like ideal. I will put a picture, because I don't have them with me. They're in the wash, but those would be so good for postpartum. So then I also got another pair of underwear just in like the cottony type material and not in the no-show. So much stuff to get through. All right, so these are one of the things that I was so excited about. I love loungewear and just like comfy clothing. This is just a really cute short sleeve loungewear type top, and then it's a set with these shorts. These look like they might be a touch big on me, and they're the 2X, but that's fine because I like my loungewear to be super big and cozy. They have like a nice amount of stretch, and they seem like they're gonna be so cozy. Like I'm probably gonna wear these to bed tonight, and I'm so excited to lounge around in these later. Okay, so here is that short and short sleeve like sleep combo. This is seriously so comfortable and so cute. This is definitely what I'm gonna wear to bed tonight. The 2X for me, and this is perfect. I think the top is perfect in the 2X and the shorts are perfect in the 2X for me. So comfortable, so stretchy. This bra is a little bit squeaky. Can you hear that? But other than that, it's fine. Oh no, we're not gonna show this one just yet. We'll get into that later. We're gonna keep it PG, and then I'll tell you when to click off, Mom. The next thing I got, I was so excited for. I also got these in a 2X, and they do look like I probably could have sized down one. So these are the cutest sweatpants. These are like black sweatpants, but not just any black sweatpants. They have the cutest lace detailing all down both sides of the legs. Like, how cute is that? And then it stops being see-through at like a shorts height, so you definitely don't have to worry about it going all the way up to your like waist or anything. Okay, so these sweatpants are just a touch too big on me, but here's what they look like, and here's that cute little like see-through leg. I'm just not sure if with these size being so big and the ankles being so big, if I would wear them out. So these do just like gather around the ankles for me, but other than that, they fit me okay, and the drawstring I could tighten if I wanted to. This was another thing that I was really excited for. Like I said, I love loungewear, so I did try to get a lot of loungewear just because, oh, so fun. So this next set is also a 2X. It's just this like nice, super strappy, like really cute lounge tank top, which would look really cute with like a bralette under it. Oh my gosh, because you can you'll be able to like see down the sides and the back, so that would look so good with a bralette. And then it comes with gray sweatpants, so you have like a cute little set. You don't have to buy the things separate. All of this can kind of just be like mix and match, so I didn't want to get like too many different colors. I think they had this in like blue top, and I just wanted to kind of be able to mix everything around. This is definitely going to be oversized on me because I did get a 2X, but I feel like the oversized look is really cute when you're wearing like a bralette under it, so you can kind of see a little bit of it, and I can already tell these are going to be so cozy. Okay, so now these gray pants, I'm going to put it on with the tank top it came with, but these actually fit me better than the black ones. And let me put on the tank top for you guys. You guys want to see with a bralette? Let's do it with a bralette. See what I mean, where this is like really cute with a bralette if you look in the back. So this is that tank top and sweatpants set. This is just really cute and really cozy. I feel like this is just such a fun like throw on, walk around the house, you look so cute outfit. The top has plenty of stretch and room, so if you do accidentally size down, you'll probably still fit. Like I said, I do have the 2X on in this, and I don't think I would have went down a size. I think this is the perfect size for me. So next up, these are seriously my favorite types of pajamas. I have gotten so many of these from so many different places, but these ones, oh, feel so soft. And the color is just this beautiful like cobalt blue almost. It's very true to color on the camera, which is one thing that I love about this camera, is that almost everything I hold up is so true to color. So what you're seeing is like the exact color it is. It is a bright blue, beautiful bright blue in person. Oh. So I got the short sleeve and shorts set of this. So it comes with the cute little shorts and the cute little top, and I don't know what it is, but when I'm wearing pajamas like this, I just feel like I have my life together. I don't know about you guys, but when I wear like a matching set of pajamas, I'm just like, I have it together. This is my favorite. I just love these pajama sets. Like I said, these are seriously my favorite. You just feel like you're so put together in these, and they are so good. Ooh, this next one, I totally forgot I ordered a bathing suit, and I'm really excited. So this one is a one-piece swimsuit. It has a cute little like cross v-neck, so you don't just have like a full v-neck, but it has a little cross to show a little bit more skin. And then all of the detailing on this is a cute gold. And then in the back it does have like a strap right here. So I will definitely try this one on for you guys so you guys can see what that looks like on. It does have quite a few different lengths that you can attach this to, so that's really nice. And I did get this in a 2X. Okay, so here is that swimsuit. Like I said, I do have a size 2X on in this swimsuit, and I will have my measurements down in the description as always. And I'm actually probably gonna have Danny retake my measurements so you guys can see like a really accurate updated one, because I know I've gained quite a bit of weight since the last time he took my measurements. So those might be a little off. If you were looking at one of my old videos, they're probably accurate for that video, but probably not for right now. Oh, this one's cute. I did get another sports bra once again in a 42 double D. This one's pretty strappy, so I'm just trying to figure out how it goes. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so this one I have to kind of hold it like this. So you can see through it. It does have like the regular sports bra type padding underneath, and then it does have a mesh covering over it, so you will kind of see through and see. My dog is in my closet. She's almost never in here when I film, and she's like moving around in there. And then this is the back. So it does have your typical bra closing strap or clasp on the back, and then it has these two straps and then the mesh overlay. Okay, so for this next sports bra, it fits me perfectly. It might be just a touch big, but it does have some adjustable stuff in the back, so I would just probably have to adjust it to the size I need. But overall, I do think this fits, and I don't think I would want to size down because it might be a little too snug. So this is perfect for me. Okay, so the next thing we got are these really cute little yoga pants. I love yoga pants. I wear these around my house all day long because, like I said, I don't normally leave because I have 2 kids and I have a 1 and a 2-year-old, and it is almost impossible to go anywhere with them unless my husband is with me. So I'm constantly just wearing like comfy yoga pants, loungewear, and all that stuff. So I got 2 pairs of yoga pants. One is just this plain black pair, and then once again I got another pair, and these are in gray, both in a 2X. The same pair of yoga pants, just a different color. Okay, so for these yoga pants, I just still have that sports bra on. These are the size 2X in these, and these seriously fit me perfect. So these are a nice high waist, which is exactly how I like my yoga pants. So if you don't want them so high waisted, I would probably size down one. And like I said, these are the exact same pants as the gray ones, so I'm not going to try the gray ones on. And then the next thing is one of the things that I was seriously most excited for, because I wanted one of these so bad, and it is just like a plain black like silk robe. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And then it just comes with the black waistband. So good. I've wanted one of these so bad, and I think it would look so cute in pictures. These show look Okay, this robe is seriously so cute. Like, look at this. So this is a 1 size plus size. So they do have this in like a 1 size fits all, like smaller sizes, and then a 1 size fits all plus sizes. So it does fit me really well. There's still like a lot of room here. And then here is the back on this. And this is just so cute. I love this. Okay, and then now the rest of the stuff I'm going to show you, I'm not going to try on camera. So they're all just like little lingerie sets. So I got all of these in a size 2X, and these are just a bunch of like bralettes. So here is the first bralette. It is just this light pink color, unlined, like no padding, no underwire, perfect. That's how I like my bralettes. And it comes with the matching bottom. So here's the matching bottom, what it looks like together. Really cute, a good amount of stretch. The next one we have is another set like that, and this is in a coral color. Once again, very true to color. And then the top is very similar. So the top is like pretty see-through up top. The only difference between this one and that other one is this one does have wire, which I normally don't wear wire, but I wanted like kind of like different options so I can just kind of see how I like everything. So when I do order again in the future, I know what I prefer, what my preference is. That is this one. This one had adjustable straps too, just for reference. Okay, so the next set we have is a little bit more risque. So this next set is just completely see-through. So it's a little bralette, completely see-through bralette. I'll probably wear this like to bed because that's how I would just am comfy. So once again, here is the top. I'm not sure I realized that this was completely see-through, but it is really cute. So that is the top to that set, and then this is the bottoms to that set. So they're just like the see-through lace in the front and then the see-through mesh in the back. For me, like I said, I could probably go down a size in all of the underwear, but that is what I got and it'll work. So the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is very risque. So it is just like a red see-through bodysuit, really cute. So here's your warning if you're my parents, click out. Yeah, really cute. It's just a crossback down the back and it has little like thigh straps. Really, really, really beautiful. I wish I had had this for Valentine's Day, but I didn't, but it's still really, really cute. So I love this. And then I have two more things to show you guys, which I've already posted on my Instagram. So this is the one that I said didn't really fit me right. This was a size 40 triple D. I'll post a picture of me wearing this on my Instagram right here so you guys can see that. But this is just what this one looks like, and it came with matching bottoms. So that's what those look like. And then the last thing I got, I will attach a picture right here, is this corset. And it is seriously so cute. I got a 2X in this, so you guys can see how that fits me. It fits me perfect. So for this, I definitely would need the 2X. It fit me absolutely perfect. I can adjust it really tight. So this is what the adjustable back looks like. And then it has these two straps to pull it tight. So yeah. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my Adore Me haul. Like I said, this was an over $500 Adore Me haul, and they were nice enough to send me all of these things for free, thanks to you guys subscribing to my channel and supporting me and just watching my videos, commenting, liking. It helps me so much more than you guys know, which I say in every single video, but it does help me to be able to make videos like this, and I'm super excited. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And that's a wrap. I'm sweating.